I don't know if this is the right size.
Fine,
You need to make it longer.
I can't, look! It's as far as it goes!
Some seatbelt.
It comes out, it's just only when it's level, because there's a weight in it, you idiot.
Oh, level it out, level it out, level it out.
That seatbelt's work. What? I think this is too big. I think your dad was wrong. Is that even possible?
No. I heard that.
What's level? That's level, isn't it?
No, the other way. Yeah, like that. No.
It's not level, that's completely upside down.
No.
It's this way. Look, see? I got it come out that far. That's level. So wait, does this come out more if you level it too? Or this is as far as it... Thank you.
Josh, back up a little bit. No, go right behind the car, and Doug, move over. There we go.
It's aimed down.
It doesn't matter, it still gets you. Okay, you want me to move it back just a little bit? Then I get it on video.
Josh jumping rope with my seatbelt.
It's so close to getting you every time. And now your seatbelt's all twisted.
You gotta go backwards, it's the only way.
No, it's not.
I was gonna come over and help. That's the only reason I put the camera down.
Okay, you're not supposed to reach.
You take this end. It doesn't though.
That's not good if it doesn't.
Which seatbelt is this? This is the passenger seatbelt.
Yeah.
So it's like that.
Oh yeah, this is as far as it goes in.
See?
Okay, you get in the middle.
No, I'm not jumping a rope.
You should get out of the road.
That's high.
Waving.
What? Oh, sorry. Ready? Here, move back a little. Come here.
No, give me the seatbelt.
No, come here.
I need the seatbelt.
Come here. Okay, Doug. Nick, ready?
No, I'm not
here,
jumping.
We're gonna go first, and then you jump.
Wait a minute.
I cannot make that.
Yes, you can. Here, wait. I'll give you more room.
No.
I'm getting all greasy.
This is in the way of the camera anyway.
Doug, you broke it. Look. Did I mention the part where I should have driven here?
Just walk home.
Yes, let me walk home.
Oh, what was going on?
Yes, let me walk to your house.
Doug, can I get the keys to your Integra? I'll be right back.
You don't know how to drive manual.
Yeah, I do.
This is bad.
It went in. Oh, it came out.
You have the keys to Caprice.
Okay, can I get the keys to
Doesn't matter. I think I need a smaller size anyway.
Oh, so let's go back and get a smaller size.
Would you give me? I need to make sure. Give me that. Did you make me give that?
Go. Oh.
You
only have one.
Can you juggle or?
A little bit. He can juggle for like 3 passes and then he loses
I can
everything.
juggle for more than that.
The farthest I've seen you is like 3. You go 1, 2, 3 and then lose everything. So you're gonna go run with it or something.
Well, where's the something I can juggle?
Just grab all the the ratchet heads.
No ratchet heads. Sockets. They're called sockets.
That's what she said.
Don't drop them.
My hands are all greasy.
What am I missing?
Everything. You just watch it on YouTube later.
3 of these.
Oh.
Lost one. I did. Look. Birds. Look, church. Birds. Why are they circling?
What happened to those other birds? Where did they go?
I can't find the third one. I dropped it and it rolled that way. I think it's under the car.
I know you didn't. I would have heard it. They're loud. Oh.
Did you hear me drop it just now, Doug?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
It was a rock.
No, it was really it. I'll get you a new pair. Sorry.
Did you really lose one?
Yeah.
You didn't really lose the car? It's in your pocket or something.
No, it's not. If I emptied my pockets now, you would not find it.
Well, I don't want to know where it is now. That was slick.
I hope you got that in front of the camera just bouncing around randomly.
Me too.
You.
So is it the wrong size?
I think so.
Why would you have your hand in the way?
To put a ratchet away!
Look, watch, follow it. Dumbass, I was shooting and you put your hand in front of it.
I really hope I got that.
It exploded, didn't You know, I'm not sure if this is
What is that?
Don't spray that near the paint, you asshole.
Where'd it go?
Dude, you're such a dick.
No, I'm not.
What is that stuff? That's making my cough worse.
Lacquer.
Oh. Liquor?
Lacquer.
Is that spray paint?
Yeah.
Is it?
Would you stop?
But you got, look, right here.
No. That's for engines.
Oh, well.
It's got a red cap. It's got to be spray paint.
Would you put it down?
No.
Don't paint anything. Don't paint. Don't. Wait. You know, it's expensive, heat-proof stuff, jerk.
The part where it doesn't work doesn't really help either.
Shake it.
He was for like 5 minutes.
He's a bad shaker. Ooh. That would have been... Use him. He's all...
She's gone from stuck to blue.
Resist heat to 500 degrees. Cool.
Uh-oh. Fight of epic proportions.
All right, Doug,
Your wood!
go.
Take your wood!
Doug, go. Come on. Launch it.
I need this.
Yay!
Let's take the Caprice so I can give you a freaking 4x4. That's the funny